here comes your date, Dr. Doug.
Jesus.
Cute, huh?
No, he looks like Jesus. Elka, I can't date Jesus. That's a sin. And if it isn't, it should be.
Relax. If you don't like him, it'll be your last supper.
Hey, Elka. Oh, you must be Melanie. I'm Doug.
Hi.
He's a holistic veterinarian. Animals come to him crippled and sick, and he heals them all.
Wow, you sound like a miracle worker.
Well, I guess I just have the touch. Shall we find a table? Oh, that one over there looks free.
Sure, great. I'll be right there.
Oh.
Probably doesn't look anything like Jesus, right? I'm just freaking out over nothing. Oh, dear Lord.